Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you to this inaugural function of Doctoral Research Induction Program, the first of its kind online faculty development program, supported by IST AICTE. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome all the researchers as well as the coordinator of the committee. My sincere thanks first goes to ISTE and AICTE for granting us permission to come out with such kind of a online short-term training program, and that too on a very emerging area, doctoral research, wherein we will try to instill in the aspirant a research aptitude which is already there, but it is to be discovered, rather it is to be brought out. My sincere thanks go to Honorable Vidarbha Youth Society for granting us permission to go for such kind of an online program under IST banner with self-financing online program of 2 weeks duration. What is the significance of doctoral research? The name has been indicated here as Doctoral Research Induction Program. Significance of doctoral research. When a person gets diploma in engineering, he or she acquires license to assist. When an engineering graduate acquires a degree, or any science graduate acquires a degree, it is licensed to work. Particular to professional degrees, it is licensed to work. Whereas when a person acquires a PG degree in any profession, maybe engineering and technology, pharmacy, medicine, then he has acquired license to practice. So diploma stands for license to assist, skill based. Degree, license to work, analysis based. PG degree, license to practice, design based. PhD degree is license to teach. And that is the reason UGC, AICTE, they have made PhD as an entry-level qualification for teachers in higher-end technical education. License to teach, I must have a PhD degree. So, now comes another parameter. There were certain myths. One of the myths was that teachers are born. Good teachers or teachers are born. It was a myth earlier. This myth has been broken. At national level, we have NCTE, National Council for Teachers Education. So it has been identified that teaching is a skill and persons can be trained to be good teachers. So this myth has been broken now. Teachers, we have B.Ed, D.Ed, M.Ed degrees wherein we can train a person to be a good teacher. So the myth that teachers are born is broken. Programmers are born. Yes, this was another in computer programming. In earlier days when Fortran and COBOL started, it was under the impression that programmers are born. In 1965, it was Dijkstra who introduced the concept of structured programming, and then that time it was identified that programming is a skill and it is possible to test or rather train programmers. So the myth that programmers are born has been broken. Another myth, managers are born. As it has identified that teaching is a skill, programming is a skill, it was also identified by father of management, Warren Buffett, that managing is also a skill. You can train a person to be a good manager, good leader rather, good administrator. So business schools were opened. IIMs and all, they have proved that they can train, they can instill the skill of managing, and good managers can be trained. So these myths look at that teaching is a skill, programming is a skill, managing is a skill. So you can always train persons for those skills. Why I am talking about this is, following fact needs to be established. There is one fact which needs to be established. And what is that fact? Researchers are born. Mind you, it is not myth. Researchers are born. Researchers are born. Means everyone is a born researcher. And this is not mine. I have simply paraphrased it. It is the saying of great Nobel laureate Albert Einstein. Everyone is born genius. Means everyone is a born researcher. We need to bring out the latent talent. Latent and talent, you observe, alphabets are L-A-T-E-N-T, T-A-L-E-N-T. Same. Latent. Talent is always hidden. That is to be brought out in terms of research. The purpose of doctoral research induction program is that we have started with this mission, that we would like to bring out the researching genius among people who are interested in bringing out that. So this doctoral research induction program, which has been abbreviated as DRIP, is an online IST AICT sponsored short-term training program of 2 weeks duration, and it is outcome-based program. It is an outcome-based program with one review paper publication in the outcome as the outcome. Why we have kept this as a deliverable? That over the period of 2 weeks, when a person is getting trained under research methodology, he or she should be able to see the deliverable after 2 weeks, and that deliverable will be presentable to the world by publishing it into an international ISSN journal, which is peer reviewed as well as open access. I am thankful to IETE, Institution of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineers, New Delhi, IETE headquarters. They are publishing IETE Journal of Research, which is a Scopus Index journal. We have requested them that whatever is going to be the outcome of this 2 weeks program, that will be presented to them, and if they find them according to their editorial norms, then they will come out with a special issue. Only 15 best papers from this program will be accepted by them, and they will be printing it as a special issue of IETE Journal of Research. Otherwise, other papers will be published in an ISSN open access journal, which is a peer reviewed journal, and the paper is also going to be a review paper. So this doctoral research induction program is going to be an outcome based program with a one review paper based on your research area interest will be published. Now, in this 2 week outcome based program, what is the plan of action? Some of the details we will be covering are: research will be defined, how to read the research paper, how to carry out the literature review, how to identify area of interest, topic of interest, title of interest, finding the resources, outlining the research, writing the research, and publishing the research along with your plagiarism check. Everything will be covered in this 10 days, 2-week program, wherein the deliverable will be one review paper. So all the participants, they must see that for next 2 weeks, they have to buckle up, and with us, they should be working on their area of interest and publishing one review paper on the area of their research interest. I would like to mention here the quote from great son of soil, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who was our distinguished, he was definitely President of India, but he was a distinguished fellow of IETE. He once said, to succeed in your mission, you must have single-minded devotion to your goal. So for next 2 weeks, dear all participants, see that you devote yourself single-mindedly to one goal, that I would like to see what is my research IQ, and I will like to have one research paper as a review paper rather, published in good ISSN journal. To succeed in your mission, you must have single-minded devotion to your goal. Officially, I declare that DRIP, Doctoral Research Induction Program, is open from today, 20th of July 2020, day 1 with the research defined. For access, the selected shortlisted participants have already been sent the link to have sign up access to the material available there day wise. It will be accessible only day wise. Day 1 material will be available on day 1 only. You can please visit and sign up at ageoli.com/drip, and the material will be available to you. It will be streamlined, session wise, tutorial wise, assignment wise, and then you have to make the submission according to the instructions given there. So happy researching, and thank you very much for being with us. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.